Hi everyone, thank you for joining. In this video we're going to solve an interesting integer equation. So we're given that x and y are positive integers and we want to find the values of x and y such that 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of y is equal to 1, right? If you like to pause the video and try it yourself first, then we could go over it together. Okay, so to begin with, let x be an odd number, so 2k plus 1, where k is a positive integer. That means we have 3 to the power of x is the same as 3 to the 2k plus 1, which is the same as 3 times 3 squared to the power of k. And that's equal to 3 in mod 4. Now, if we rearrange this equation, we have 2 to the power of y is equal to 3 to the x minus 1, which is equal to 3 to the 2k plus 1 minus 1, which is 2 in mod 4, right? So this implies that y must be 1. And the reason for that, if you think about it, that we want 2 to the y to be 2 in mod 4. But if y is anything, since y is a positive integer, if it's anything greater than 1, it could be y is 2, 3, 4, so we will have 2 squared, 2 cubed, 2 to the 4, and so on. And this will all be 0 in mod 4 because they are a multiple of 4, right? So the only way that 2 to the y is equal to 2 in mod 4 if y is equal to 1. And if y is equal to 1, from the equation, we have 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 3 to the x minus 1. That implies x is equal to 1. So the first solution is x is 1, y is 1. Now, the second case to consider, if x is an even number. Okay, so let x be 2k, where k is a positive integer. We have 2 to the y is equal to 3 to the 2k minus 1. If we use difference of squares, that will give us 3 to the power of k minus 1, 3 to the power of k plus 1. Now, since this is equal to 2 to the y, it means that both numbers must be even. Not only that, these two even numbers must be two successive even numbers, right? And since that's equal to 2 to the y, we must have some 2 to the a times 2 to the b, right? And these are, as I said, successive even numbers. Well, if you think about it, the only way that could be true, if we have 3 to the k minus 1 is equal to 2, 3 to the k plus 1 is equal to 4, which implies k is equal to 1, right? Because for any other values of k, so let's say k is equal to 2, so we will have 8 here, which is 2 cubed, right? So that's a possibility. But what are we going to have here? We're going to have 10, which cannot be written as 2 to the power of something only, right? Okay, and by simple reasoning, we will see that the only possible values are if k is equal to 1, right? So we said x is equal to 2k. If k is 1, x is equal to 2. And if you plug this into the equation, we have 2 to the y is equal to 3 to the x minus 1. 2 to the y is equal to 8, implies y is equal to 3. And 2 and 3 are the other solution to this equation. All right? Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it interesting. Thank you very much for joining, and I look forward to seeing you in my future videos. Thank you.